Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can create a folder in Google Drive. So as you can see right here, this is the drive. So we're going to be looking at how we can create a folder. All these are folder. So we're going to look at how we're going to create a folder. Notice we're going to come to the left. We're going to click right here on new. Then click here on new. You notice right here, upload file. If you notice right here, it's the upload folder, just the same. So this one say new folder, so I want to click on that. Now when you click on it, notice right here, you want to name it, right? So definitely I'm going to name it software, just the same. And then if you notice right here, say cancel, right here, say create, you're going to click on your create, definitely. And you will see exactly how it looks. So this itself is the folder that I create right here in our Google Drive. All right, you notice this look. That tree, look at that. When I click on it, you notice it show that I can open it right here. So that I can download, so that I can actually share, so that I can organize, right? So if you can organize, it's gonna come like this. What that will do, you notice it actually change the color, just the same. Okay, so this is exactly how you actually create a folder right in Google Drive. So remember, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.